Exclusive.
Go! Go! Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up.
Hi guys, welcome back. So today my brother's going to be joining me unboxing my
Segway!
So basically we're just going to get right on with this. We'll open up the packaging. So basically I got a Bluetooth Segway off eBay, and it comes with a remote and a bag as well also. So we'll just get on with unboxing this. So cut it open.
I think you need to do a bit harder.
It's not going through. I think you need to. There we go. There we go. It's going.
Oh, we need to do here.
Where?
Over on the side as well.
This is a really flimsy knife. There we go. Nice.
And just chop them.
Here. No. Here it is. Uh-oh, this is tricky. Hold it out, grab it, and you hold the box down.
Now we just sling those there.
So it looks like this is just coming in black or something, but it might be different on the inside. I don't know. It depends.
Yeah. That needs to. That's coming out.
So here it is.
Nice.
So if we just tilt a little bit, so we got the bag and the charger, and also the remote that comes with it, which is quite cool actually.
Looks like
Turn it on, it locks it, unlocks it, and I don't know what that other thing is. It's like a bell. That might be an alarm.
when you need to use
So
it.
here's the bag and key. This charger and the charging port.
And another charger.
And that's weird, I don't know what that is. So we've got the user manual. Do you want to take that off? Oh, it has came in the right one. That looks quite cool actually.
Oh, it's got like lightning on it.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Yes, it just explains in this user manual what it does. Right. So it says it's 10 kilograms. Oh wow, that's heavier than I expected actually. So here is the Segway. How do you open this? Here we go. It's opening.
By opening it.
Wow, this is actually in better condition than I thought it would be in. I thought because I watched this other guy's video that it looked a little bit weird in the other one, but
Just lift that up. That looks sick.
this looks nice. So you can stop it there. Maybe.
How do you get off it?
What?
How do you get off it?
Step back. Like that. That's actually pretty cool.
That's like a car key.
Hold on, so.
Just turn it off.
What?
Turn it off.
And then, wonder if this. You recording this? You actually recording this?
Yep, he's recording.
This is just scary. Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of this now.
Don't run over my foot though. This is literally just a car key. We could.
Do you want to go, Asa?
Um,
Hold on, let me just turn it off.
I'm
now.
thinking I could sit down and then.
Nice strong foot on first. Further out, further out. Yeah, that's good. Now, slowly get yourself on. Keep that forwards. Keep that slightly forwards. Go on, you've got to try it. That's it. Just try and get that foot forwards. You on? Right, be calm. Slowly glide forwards. Glide forwards. Glide. Glide.
Oh, I know I can't get off it.
So guys, I found out that my mum was actually videoing all of this. I've kind of got the hang of Segwaying now a little bit.
I've not. That's me.
No, I know. Apparently moving your feet out makes you more balanced. Oh, it does actually.
Can I go down the
I
stairs?
think that means low battery.
literally just turn it off right now.
Turn it off then.